This is a recording of the Project One text database project, which this project, the file name is appliance. I will access script or the scripting for this project and access the file name. Here are the contents of this file. Initially, I have 3 appliances, washer appliances, the Maytag, Whirlpool, and GE. Each of the appliances have 3 categories: top load for 1, front load for 2, and smart compatible electric for 3. So it allows the user to select the appliance or the washer, and from there you can select what type of washer or from that category of washers. It also will prompt the user to see if they want to continue shopping or if they are finished shopping. Okay. Now we will run this file. Appliance. It asks to enter the appliance and enter the appliance Whirlpool. Ask for which category. Select front load for this example, and it displays the front load. It says enter 2. If you're finished 1, like to continue, I will enter 1. This time I will select. I can select Whirlpool again, or let's say I tag. Top loads. Again, it'll display the top loads for Maytag. Hit 1 to continue, and I will do another search through the Maytag. This time I'll do 3. And again, it'll display all the compatibles, the smart compatibles for 3. This asks to continue. You hit 1. And at this point, I'm going to not select one of the choices. And it will automatically take you out, or it will say show what you entered and still allow for you to continue to shop. If the user makes a mistake and types something in error, it will still allow you to continue to shop. So it also will provide for that feature. Again, we continue, we go and select G just for the last demonstration of this. Do 2, we get that category for 2, which is front load. For GE, it displays that. We select, this time, we select 2 to say that I am finished, and the message pops up. Thank you for shopping with us. And that is the complete demonstration for this project.